Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about how to destroy an object with trigger. So I want to insert a trigger, and I want to insert the object that I want to be destroyed. So first of all, let's create two cubes. This is the first cube, and let's name it as trigger. And I want to create another cube which that I wanted to be destroyed. So let's name it as destroyed cube. Let me put it here, and this is the trigger as it's shown. Let me scale it a little bit in the z-axis and put it here. So I want to walk through this cube, so I should put it as trigger because I want to walk through it, and I want to destroy this cube. Let me scale it in the y-axis. So let's try to run the game. So I should, when I come here in this trigger, I should see this object destroyed. So I want to create the script. We go to the script folder and create a new C# code and name it as destroy. D capital ESTROY. You should be write it like this because the script here you can see the name of the script is destroy, so it should be the same name. If you write it destroy, write here destroy. If you want to write box, write it box. In anything that you want to name it. So let's click on Control A to specify all the writing, and right click and press copy. Then open the script and Control A to specify everything, and right click and click paste. Then press Control S to save the script, then exit. Now we should put this script inside the trigger and then open the trigger. Here's the script. Here's written cube, the cube that we wanted to destroy. This is the destroyed cube that we wanted to destroy. This one. So the trigger, here's the script, here the destroyed cube that we want to destroy. So let's try now, but before we try, we should name the player as tag player. So my player is capsule, I name it as tagged player. If you don't name it as a player, the script is not gonna work. So let's try now. Now let's go through. Now it destroyed. You can specify the time of destroyed this cube. Let's specify a few seconds. Here in the cube you can write comma, and let's see in 5 seconds. 5F. In 5 seconds the cube is gonna be destroyed. Let's save, Control S and exit, and now let's try the game. Wait a little bit because sorry, my PC is suffering. Okay, now we go through. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds it destroyed. So this is how this script working. You can hide this trigger by clicking on mesh renderer. You can hide it, so when we go through this trigger, this cube is gonna be destroyed. So when I walk through it, this cube is gonna be destroyed after 5 seconds, like you see. Thanks for watching and bye.